لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 1C on letters. Let's start with prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. Make sure to read the Arabic letters just like I do, and inshallah you'll learn the right way to read Arabic. We have learned Alif, the 3 boat-shaped letters, Ba, Ta, Tha, the fat friends, Jim, Ha, Ha, and the 3 pairs of identical twins, right? Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin. Now we will take the fatty 4. They are all awesome. All of them have ah sound in them. They all have thick tongue shape in them. They are Sad, Bod, Ba, Wa. If you see, they all have the lip shape in the beginning of the letters. Sad, Wad, and Ba, and Ra. So let's learn them one by one. First, let's take Sad. Repeat it 3 times. Sad, 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 and its brother, Wad. Let's repeat it 3 times. Wad, Wad, Wad. And the next pair, Ba. Let's repeat it 3 times. Ba, Ba, Ba. And its brother, Wa. Let's repeat it 3 times. Wa, Wa, Wa. Now let's repeat these both pairs 3 times. Sad, Bod, Ba, Wa. Sad, Bod, Ba, Wa. Sad, Bod, Ba, Wa. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate the Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.